in the vast, silent darkness of deep space, 200,000 miles from Earth. A sudden explosion changed history forever. Inside the command module, the crew felt the ship shudder. Instruments flickered as the life-sustaining oxygen began to leak into the vacuum. Houston, we've had a problem. Those iconic words signaled the start of a desperate struggle for survival against impossible odds. At Mission Control, the atmosphere shifted from routine monitoring to high-stakes crisis management as telemetry data plummeted on every screen. The command module was dying. To survive, the crew had to use the Lunar Module Aquarius as a makeshift lifeboat. Engineers on the ground worked tirelessly, huddling over blueprints to find a way to power up a ship never meant for this journey. Jim Lovell moved through the narrow tunnel into the Aquarius, leaving the darkness of the main ship behind to revive the backup systems. But a new crisis emerged. Carbon dioxide levels were rising, and the filters designed for the command module didn't fit the Lunar Module's system. The engineers were tasked with an impossible puzzle, fitting a square peg into a round hole using only what was available on board. With ingenuity and duct tape, they created the mailbox adapter. It was a masterpiece of technical discipline born from pure necessity. The astronauts followed the instructions exactly, fitting the improvised device into the life support system as the air quality finally began to stabilize. The return journey required one final high-stakes maneuver. They had to fire the descent engine to correct their trajectory toward Earth. As they prepared for re-entry, they jettisoned the damaged service module, finally seeing the horrific extent of the explosion. The command module hit the atmosphere at thousands of miles per hour, surrounded by a wall of ionized plasma and searing heat. In Houston, silence fell. For 4 agonizing minutes, the radio went dead as the world waited to see if the heat shield would hold. Then, the signal returned. 3 parachutes blossomed over the Pacific Ocean, signaling the safe return of 3 heroes. The capsule splashed down safely, ending a journey that proved human intelligence could overcome any disaster. Mission Control erupted in celebration. It was a victory of the mind, a testament to the engineers who brought them home. Apollo 13 remains a legacy of resilience, showing that even in our darkest hours, teamwork and science can light the way back to Earth.